Okay. And ready? Get the ball. Get the ball. Oh! Get that old ball. Get that old ball. Get that old ball. Get that old ball. Yeah. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. Ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Sorry guys, I'm trying to do this at the same time, play with him at the same time. Get it. Good boy. Good boy, Mr. Henry. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yes. He's just had a bath. About his 14th bath since he came. But it does seem to be helping him. Okay, ready? Are you? Ouch. Okay, ready? Ouch. Okay, Henry. He's got it. Oh, that's his new bed. See, that's his new bed. He loves it. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yeah, good boy. This is the first he's really wanted to play with toys since he came here. He still doesn't know much about tennis balls, but he seems to really like that little plush ball. When it squeaks, he's like, where'd that come from? Okay, we're going to sign off for now.